value. Why we need to learn it? So when the number is given, the round off value will help us to know about the, not about the exact value. It is given a kind of nearest value. So we need to learn this in order to make our problems in a simple way. So we'll start here. Here I am going to round off this number to the nearest 10. I repeat, I am going to round off this number to the nearest 10. Step 1, write the place first. Write the place on the top. And I have to round off to the nearest 10. So you have to look into a next digit, that is right side next digit of the 10. So what is the right side next digit? Just 2. So I have to see whether the 2 is greater than 5, less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5. If the number is less than 5, I have to add 0. If the number is greater than or equal to 5, I have to add 1 to the tens place. So now you see number 2 is less than 5. So what should I do now? Together with 7 I have to add 0. After you make this change, you have to make all other digits should be 0. Since we are having only one digit, I have made 0 here. So what is the round off value for this number? Round off value is 4570. For 4572 the number. I have changed this one as the nearest 10. When I change to the nearest 10, I have to circle the 10 first and look into the nearest right side digit. Here right side digit is 1. So here you can see number 2 is less than 5. If the number is less than 5, you have to add 0 along with the tens place. After that you have to make all other numbers should be 0. So your round off value is 4570. In the same way we can do this for 100 and 1000 also. 4572. I am going to make this to the nearest 100. Round off to the nearest 100. Since it is 100, I have rounded off the 100. Then I have to see the nearest digit 7. The 7 is greater than 5. So I have to add 1 along with the 100. I have to add 1 along with the 100. Then I have to make all other digits. That means now after I added, I have to make all other digits should be 0. So 5 plus 1 6. So 4600. After that I have a 7 and 2. This 2 digit I have to make 0. So 4572. The round off value is 4600. So here you can see round off value nearest 1000. 4572. I am going to change to the nearest 1000. So since it is the nearest 1000, I have rounded the 1000 and I have to see the right side digit. Right side digit is 100. Now the 100 places equal to 5. So if it is equal to 5 also, I have to add 1 along with that. Then after that I have to make all other numbers should be 0. So here the number is 5. The nearest digit is 5. So that I have to add 1 along with that number. So if I add 1 along with that 1000 place, I should add here. After adding that, I have to make all other digits should be 0. 4 plus 1, 5. All other digits should be 0. So here round off value is 5,000. Your number is 4,572. For this number, your round off value is 5,000. In this way, we can do for 10,000 and lakhs also.